Pool Payday freezing in the middle of a match usually points to a connection, app, or device issue, rather than the match itself. The fastest fix is to identify whether the freeze happens only on one connection, one device, or every match. By the end, you'll know which settings to check first and when reinstalling Pool Payday makes sense. Start by checking your internet connection. If you're playing on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data temporarily and start another match. If the freezing stops, the problem is likely connected to the Wi-Fi network rather than your Pool Payday account. If you're already using mobile data, switch to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Avoid moving between Wi-Fi and mobile data while a match is running because that can interrupt the connection. Next, completely close Pool Payday and open it again. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Pool Payday away before relaunching it. On iPhone, open the app switcher and remove Pool Payday from the active apps before starting it again. If the game still freezes, restart your phone. This clears temporary system processes that can interfere with an app running in the background. The next step depends on your phone. On Android, open Settings, find Apps, select Pool Payday, then check the available storage and cache options. Clearing the app cache can remove temporary files without removing your account data. On iPhone, iOS does not provide the same direct cache clearing option. If restarting the app and phone does not help, check whether an update for Pool Payday is available in the App Store. Also check your phone's available storage. A device that is nearly full can cause apps to behave unpredictably, especially when the game needs additional temporary storage during gameplay. If Pool Payday freezes during every match, try reinstalling the app after confirming that your account is connected to a supported login method. Reinstalling removes the local app installation, so make sure you can sign back into the same account before deleting it. If the freeze happens only on one specific table or match mode while everything else works, avoid repeatedly replaying that same match, and check for an available game update. So, the main fixes are simple. Test another connection, restart Pool Payday and your phone, check storage and app updates, and reinstall only after confirming your account access. For the practical next step, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and test another match. That quickly tells you whether the problem follows the connection or the game itself. If this fixed the Pool Payday freezing issue, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting guides.